Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipline. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on geometry. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin yung angle addition postulate. So what you see on your screen is an angle and some points. Kung napanood nyo yung previous video, yung pangalan ng angle ay nandun sa vertex. No? So this is the vertex of the angle and yan ay B. So we name it angle B. Now as we can see, there are points. Yung E ay nasa labas siya nung parang mouth nung angle, no? So, ang tawag natin sa place na yan ay exterior of the angle. So, points like E are said to be in the exterior of the angle. So, ito, pag in-extend natin yan, kasi ibig sabihin naman ng ray, di ba, nag-extend siya indefinitely. So, lahat ng part na to, yan itinatawag natin na interior, and the other parts, yung nasa labas, lahat ditong part na to, tawag natin dyan na exterior. So, point E is at the exterior of the angle. Now, points like D are said to be in the interior of the angle. And lastly, points like F are said to be on angle B. So, pag nandun siya sa sides ng angle, nandun siya sa rays, ang tawag natin sa kanya ay on angle B. Now, if point D lies in the interior of an angle ABC, then the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle DBC. Tingnan natin isa-isa, no? So, una, yung measure of angle ABC can be written in symbol form as M tapos angle ABC. And ano yung sinasabi niya dito? Yung measure ng angle ABC. So, A, B, C. Ibig sabihin, we're talking about this angle, no? Now, ano naman yung measure ng angle ABD? A, B, D. So, ito yan, no? Yan yung part na yan. What about yung measure ng angle DBC? D, B, C. So, yung part na to. So, ano yung sinasabi niya? Yung measure ng malaking angle ay sum ng measure ng dalawang mas maliit na angles kasi magkatabi sila. And again, yung condition is that the point D lies in the interior of angle. Now, this statement is called the angle addition postulate. Okay, so let's have some practice exercises. Find the measure of angle ABC. Ano muna yung angle ABC? Itong part na yan, di ba? Yung malaki. Now, with the angle addition postulate, we have measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle DBC. Measure of angle DBC. And measure of angle ABC is equal to, ano ang measure ng angle ABD? That's 43 degrees, di ba? Plus, ito yan. Measure of angle DBC is 19 degrees. Therefore, it's equal to 62 degrees. So the answer is 62 degrees. Okay, so for exercise 2, we have find the measure of angle PQR if the measure of angle PQS is equal to x minus 2 degrees and the measure of angle SQR is 4x plus 1 degrees. So, ang PQS, ito yan, di ba? PQS. So, itong angle na to. Ayusin natin. Ito yung PQS. Now, yung angle SQR, we have S, Q, and then R. Ibig sabihin ito yan. Yung part na yan. So, pag inad natin yung dalawang angles na yan, magiging measure siya ng malaking angle na angle PQR. So, pwede na natin ilagay yung angle addition postulate nyo if you want by the angle addition postulate. Measure of angle PQR is equal to the measure of angle PQS plus the measure of angle SQR. And the measure of angle PQS is x minus 2 degrees plus 4x plus 1 degrees, yung measure ng angle SQR. 4x plus 1 degrees. So algebraic expression lang ito. What is x plus 4x? That's 5x, di ba? Tapos what is negative 2 plus 1? This is negative 1. Pag nag-plus ka ng negative 1, it's the same as minus 1. So ito na yung sagot natin. 5x minus 1 degrees. May mga ganitong tanong, ano? Minsan expression lang. Alright, so for practice 3, we have find the measure of angle AVB if the measure of angle AVC is equal to 145 degrees and the measure of angle BVC is equal to 24 degrees. Tignan nga natin, saan ba yung angle AVC? AVC. Ibig sabihin itong malaking angle, no? What about BVC? O, yung angle BVC is BVC. Ibig sabihin itong angle na to. So this is 24 degrees. Tapos yung malaki 145 degrees. So paano natin kukunin yung angle AVB? Ito yung angle AVB, di ba? Ibig sabihin, minus natin yung 24 from 145 degrees. So yun na yun. Yun na yung sagot. 121. Pero pag sinulat natin yung solution natin, katulad kanina, pwede nating banggitin yung angle addition postulate. No? So by the angle addition postulate, measure of angle AVC, yung malaking angle, is equal to measure of angle AVB plus measure of angle BVC. Pero yung measure of angle AVC kasi natin, given siya, so magiging 145 degrees. What is the measure of angle AVB? Yun yung ano natin, di ba? So the measure of angle AVB plus the measure of angle BVC, which is 24 degrees. Let me rewrite the equation. 145 degrees is equal to measure of angle AVB plus 24 degrees. Now, para measure of angle AVB na lang matira sa kanan, we subtract 24 degrees from both sides. So 145 degrees minus 24 degrees is equal to measure of angle AVB plus 24 degrees minus 24 degrees. So magiging 0 na to. Yung matitira sa left-hand side ay 121 degrees is equal to measure of angle AVB, which is yung yellow na minark natin kanina. Okay? So, of course, we can do it mentally, no? Kaso minsan, pinapasulat sa atin yung solution, di ba? Kaya kailangan natin isulat to. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating discussion. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Click the thumbs up button kung nagustuhan niyo yung video. And then share it with your friends. Ulit, maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.